to everyone. Welcome once more to another video in our YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to be solving a question from the topic mensuration, and this question came in MENG 2018. MENG means Masters in Engineering. This is specifically for guys who are preparing for the entrance examination into the National Advanced School of Public Works in Yaoundé. So those who are doing architecture, it's actually the same syllabus as those who are doing engineering. So we are going to have a rundown of this problem. We solve the problem together, and then at the end of the video I'm going to give you an assignment which we are going to solve in the next video. Alright, so as you can see on your screen, the question reads: in a right angle triangle, the sum of the cathets is 21 centimeters, and the tangent line of one of the acute angles is 314. The area of the triangle is: A says 54 centimeters squared, B says 50 centimeters squared, C says 60 centimeters squared, and D says 52.5 centimeters squared. Alright, so first we are going to draw the diagram, and then from there we proceed to find the area of the triangle. Alright, so we have a right angle triangle. As you can see, I'm going to label the vertices. Let me just say it is right at A. Now I have B. The distance from A to B, I can just call it Y. And then I have the vertex is at C. The distance from A to C, I can call it X. Now the hypotenuse, I'm going to give it an arbitrary value Z as well. Now there is a term in our equation which says cathets, so we are going to see the definition of what the cathets of a right angle triangle is, or what the cathets are. Alright, so first of all we have another information which is the acute angles. Now this is our right angle triangle, and we have two angles inside. Apart from the right angle, we have the angle between the line AB and the line BC, and the angle between the line AC and the line CB. That's at the vertex here and at the bottom here. So let me just call this angle theta. I could still put the angle here. My results will not change at the end. I'm still going to get the same answer if I am looking for the area of the triangle. Alright, so this is a figure that we have depicted from the diagram. Now, what do we mean by the word cathets? Simply, the cathets of a right angle triangle ABC are the other two sides except the hypotenuse. So we have the height and the base. So the height and the base are referred to as the cathets. Okay, according to the equation, they said the sum of the cathets is equal to 21 centimeters. Now our cathets here, we have X and Y, because those are the other two sides excluding the hypotenuse. So the sum of the cathets equal to 21. It means that X plus Y is equal to 21. Now we're being told that the tangent of one of the acute angles. Now when an angle is acute, provided it is less than 90 degrees. So our theta here is an acute angle because it is less than 90 degrees. Now remember the tangent line of one of the acute angles, meaning that if you could still put the angle here, you're also going to get the same results. So I just choose here, so you can try later to put it here and then you solve following the procedure that I'm going to present to you. Okay, so the tangent of theta is equal to 3 divided by 4, but at the same time it is equal to the opposite. The opposite to the angle is X, and the adjacent to the angle is Y, using the SOHCAHTOA principle. So it means the tangent of theta is equal to X divided by Y, which is the same as 3 divided by 4 as we are given in the equation. Okay, so from there our X plus Y equals to 21, and then now we can look for the value of X. Our X is equal to 3 divided by 4 times Y if we cross multiply by Y. Now we have two equations with two unknowns. We can solve it simultaneously. So since X is equal to 3 divided by 4Y, I can fit it in the first equation. In the place of X, I replace it with 3 divided by 4Y, and in the place of Y, I allow it as Y, and I equate to 21. Now I can add these two fractions. Doing that, I'm going to get 7 on 4Y to be equal to 21, and if we simplify correctly, we get our Y to be equal to 12 centimeters. Now since y is equal to 12 centimeters, what is the value of x? Our value of x is equal to 3/4 times 12 centimeters, which gives us 9 centimeters. So our value of x is 9 centimeters. Now what is the area of this triangle? It is simply half times the product of the cathets, because it's half base times height, but the base and the height are referred to as the cathets. So it means that the area of my triangle is half of x times y, which is half of I have the value of y, which is 12, and the value of x, which is 9. So half of 12 times 9. 12 divided by 2 is 6, so I get 6 times 9, and at the end I get my area to be 54 centimeters squared. So the correct response is A. Alright, so I'm going to end the video by giving you an assignment which we are going to solve in the next video. Now your assignment is also MENS 2018 question 29, still on the topic mensuration. Now the question reads, consider the polygon P, which is depicted by these equations. It is a system. We have x and y being a set of real numbers, 0 less than x, 0 less than y less than 1, and y less than x less than y plus 1. The minimal distance of the point 2, 0 from the polygon P is, we have a root 2, b 1, and c 2, and then d 1 divided by root 2. So endeavor to, if you can solve the equation, endeavor to reply with your response if it is A, B, C, or D in the comment section. If you cannot, also indicate that you cannot solve the equation. So in the next video, I'm going to give you a rundown of how to solve problems like this. Alright, for those who have not yet subscribed to the channel, please endeavor to do so. Turn on your notifications so that when other videos are going to be uploaded, you're always going to be notified to come and watch. If the video is good, endeavor to to like the video, share the video with your friends who are also preparing for the concours, and good luck. Thank you. See you later.